Today, this is an RV oven handle we're working on. It's a Furrion oven in an RV. Basically what I'm doing is replacing it to my own version of a handle. The next clip will show you from the inside what we're up to. That came off the outside. I'm kind of in mid-process. Right now I just drilled a screw there, screw hole. And I'm going to drill another one over here because this screw is out like so. And basically, here's the problem, which we'll fix later. Stand by. Okay, update. We've managed to drill out both holes to get access to the screws, which you can barely see in there. And then what I did, instead of that handle, it's pain in the butt, because what you have to do is remove all these rivets, and that's not going to happen. So you gain access because your seal does not touch. It touches here, which means this is ineffective because the vent holes are here. This really doesn't do anything by drilling that hole there to gain access to the screws on the inside, which you can see just about there. And instead of that handle in the brackets, because the handles are plastic, I got these big angle brackets, and I got a piece of doweling. It's going to fit from there to there. Sure, it may be overkill, but it'll be able to get it. I'll show you the final result. And here's the final result with the towels hanging in place. Now we can actually do some dishes and hang the towels properly. Eventually I'll paint those black with a high heat paint because we want to match the color. This can get kind of outfitted to black or whatever we want to do. Put rubber coating on it, tape. But in the end, you've just replaced a plastic RV oven handle for $17. Very cheap, very easy to do. And yeah, if you like this video, like, share, subscribe to my channel. Cheers.